Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening with a special focus on our little ones. If you're looking for the best gardening set for toddlers aged 2 to 4, look no further than the Play22 Kids Gardening Tool Set. This isn't just any toy, it's an educational experience designed to spark curiosity and learning from an early age. Let's unpack what makes this set so special. It comes with everything your budding gardener needs: a shovel, trowel, fork, rake, watering can, gardening gloves, plastic seed labels, 2 buckets, a gardening apron, and a handy canvas tote to keep everything organized. Each tool features splinter-free wood handles and rounded edges, ensuring safety while they explore the garden. The bright colors are not just eye-catching but also practical, designed for smaller hands to grip comfortably. Beyond playtime, this set is a gateway to learning. It encourages children to understand plants, nature, and even nutrition as they help out in the garden. It's a hands-on way for them to develop crucial motor skills and learn about the natural world around them. Imagine the joy on their faces as they witness seeds they've planted grow into beautiful flowers or vegetables. It's an educational journey that parents and kids can embark on together. As a parent, you'll appreciate the durability of these tools. They're built to last through many gardening adventures, making it a worthwhile investment for your child's development and enjoyment. Plus, the included apron and tote bag make it easy for kids to carry their tools around independently, fostering a sense of responsibility and organization. So, whether you're nurturing a future botanist or simply want to introduce your child to the joys of gardening, the Play22 Kids Gardening Tool Set is your perfect companion. It's more than just a toy, it's a gateway to outdoor exploration and learning. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy gardening!